The calendar just turned to 2024, and financial experts say the time is now to start and follow through with healthy money habits.
News Channel 7's Austin Maida tells us what financial advisors say is the best way to meet your money goals.
The saying goes, money can't buy happiness, but it's definitely a starting point. And financial advisors' job is to set people up for success.
It's about preservation, income, and making a shift to do that for people.
And what better time to refocus your energy than the start of a new year?
We honestly do get a more of a bump January, February, so those New Year's resolutions, right?
But how do you make sure that the money resolutions you make don't go by the wayside after a few weeks? For starters, focus on the opportunities that financial stability can bring.
Finances can certainly give you the freedom to relieve stress from other things in your life.
Their top tip is to figure out what worked and what didn't work for you last year, and to adjust where it's needed.
Cut down on those expenses if you can. Right, spend less.
For many, that means cooking more at home.
Going out to eat is one of the major factors for people that don't have enough money to live.
Advisors say it's important to set attainable financial goals and to check in on them throughout the year in order to assess progress.
Set time frames to check in with those goals. That helps you stay in check.
One common mistake is that people think setting aside a small amount of money isn't good enough, so it just doesn't get done.
$5 here, $10 here, $15 there. But those add up too.
Above all else, advisors say to come up with a budgeting plan that can be a long-term solution as opposed to a short-term fix.
What you look at leading into the new year is how can I be sustainable? Well, I can do this for 1 year, but is it a Band-Aid or is it going to be a fix? If you set on a goal that you're like, well, there's no way I'm going to attain that goal, well, then it's unrealistic.
In Panama City Beach, Austin Maida, News Channel 7.
My goal is to get a stack of cash like they had there.
Right. Is it handed out daily now? Where'd Austin get that?
Advisors say setting financial goals is especially important given the ongoing inflation the country has seen the past couple of years. For more information, visit WJHG.com.